Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming device type and OS because the method differs slightly between platforms. Once done, install a custom keyboard or sticker app that allows importing images. This is necessary to make a new emoji. Make sure you already have a PNG battery image at a square size, about 512 x 512, because transparency matters. Then open the app, grant keyboard or sticker permissions, and choose the Import or Create New Emoji option. This gets you into You now refine and convert the image so it behaves like an emoji. First, crop and remove the background to retain transparency. This keeps the battery crisp in text. Then scale the image to between 128 and 512 pixels and export as PNG or WEP if the app accepts it. Once exported, import it into the keyboard or sticker app and assign a short name or text shortcut so you can paste the custom battery quickly. This step ensures consistent size and fast access. You finish by enabling and testing the new battery emoji across your apps. Go to System Keyboard Settings, enable the custom keyboard, and allow full access only if the app requests it. Make sure it's set as an input option. Then open a messaging app, insert the custom battery via the keyboard shortcut or sticker panel, and inspect how it renders. If it looks cropped or loses transparency, re-export the image a different size, clear the app cache, and retry. This usually resolves rendering issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.